Hello, my Linyans. This is Teacher Romiel, and today we are going to discuss the topic Models of Communication. This video tutorial is based from your learning activity sheets in Speech and Oral Communication, Quarter 1, Week 2. So bring out your learning activity sheets. The learning target for this session is differentiate various models of communication. Before we have our lesson, let's have these warm-up questions. Number 1. Blank is the sender, the source, or the encoder in the communication process. Your timer starts now. The correct answer is speaker. Number 2. Blank is what needs to be sent or delivered. Your timer starts now. The correct answer is message. Communication is the process by which we understand others and in turn to be understood by them. Now, let's talk about the different terminologies in this lesson. Number 1. Speaker, the sender, the source, or the encoder. Number 2. Message, what needs to be sent or delivered, or the reply. Number 3. Listener, the receiver or decoder of message. Number 4. Channel, the means by which the message or reply is sent. Number 5. Response, the reply, the way to know the receiver receives the message. And number 6. Noise, any barrier to communication. In our lesson, there are 3 types of noise. Number 1. Physical noise, outside the body, in the environment, such as noise of truck, thunder, etc. Number 2. Physiological noise, diseases in the body, such as headache, fever, etc. And number 3. Psychological noise, problems in the mind, such as stress, depression, anxiety, etc. The first model of communication is Aristotle's model of communication. This is linear model. It includes speaker, message, and audience. Second one is Shannon-Weaver model of communication. This is another linear model of communication. It includes source, message, channel, receiver, and noise. The third model is Schramm model of communication. This is an interactional model of communication. It includes sender, encoder, signal, decoder, receiver, noise, and feedback. And now, for enrichment activity number 1. Fill in the blanks and identify the following concept or terminology in the communication models. For enrichment activity number 2, draw the 3 basic communication models. For enrichment activity number 3, there are situations where different models of communication are involved. Write AT if it belongs to Aristotle's model of communication. Write SW if it belongs to Shannon-Weaver model of communication. And write SC if it belongs to Schramm's model of communication. For enrichment activity number 4, write down the 5 examples or situations for each of the 3 models of communication. I hope you have learned something today. If you have any questions or clarifications about our topic, you may contact your subject teacher. You may also send your questions to your official Facebook group. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, and subscribe.